Do you think male and female brains are exactly the same, or are there fundamental differences? Let's take a closer look together. The brain is an incredibly complex organ, regardless of gender. However, research shows that there are some fundamental structural and functional differences between male and female brains. For instance, the female brain is generally smaller but has more densely packed neural connections. This allows women to process information more quickly and in a more interconnected way. Meanwhile, the male brain is, on average, about 10% heavier than the female brain. However, brain weight has no direct correlation with intelligence or cognitive ability. What truly matters is the efficiency and organization of neural networks. In female brains, the corpus callosum, the region that connects the two hemispheres, is wider than in male brains. This enables women to transition more seamlessly between emotional and verbal processing. It also contributes to women's stronger abilities in understanding and expressing emotions. On the other hand, male brains tend to have greater regional specialization. For example, men typically have a larger amygdala, which is associated with risk-taking, competition, and quick responses. Men also tend to perform better in tasks that require spatial intelligence and memory. The left and right hemispheres of the brain are responsible for different functions. However, it's important to remember that both hemispheres work together rather than in isolation. The left brain is primarily associated with logic, analytical, thinking, language, and mathematics. Women often excel in verbal skills because left brain activity tends to be more dominant. The right brain, on the other hand, is linked to creativity, intuition, emotions, and spatial awareness. Men typically perform better in spatial reasoning and navigation tasks, as right brain activity may be more prominent in these areas. However, these differences are not absolute. There are men who are more left-brained and women who are more right-brained. Individual differences play a much greater role than general gender-based assumptions. Throughout history, the idea that women were only suited for social and emotional roles has been a major misconception. Ada Lovelace laid the foundation for computer programming. Marie Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and revolutionized physics and chemistry. And Cleopatra was not just a ruler, but also a master strategist and diplomat. Similarly, it is entirely incorrect to assume that men lack emotional depth or artistic intelligence. Leonardo da Vinci was a genius who blended science and art seamlessly. Poets like Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, Edgar Allan Poe, and Victor Hugo captured the deepest emotions of the human soul through words. Thinkers like Freud and Jung dedicated their lives to unraveling the complexities of human psychology. Ultimately, while there are some differences between male and female brains, individual talents and environmental factors play a much greater role. Intelligence, creativity, and success are not limited by gender. If you like our video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be informed about new developments like this. Always stay curious.